Security is tight in Kuala Lumpur as US President Donald Trump attends the 47th ASEAN Summit, marking his first visit to Asia since returning to the White House. The summit, themed Inclusivity and Sustainability, brings together leaders from across Asia and beyond, focusing on trade, regional security, and East Timor's formal entry as ASEAN's 11th member. Malaysian Foreign Minister Muhammad Hassan urged unity among member nations, warning that ASEAN's neutrality is becoming harder to maintain and intensifying global rivalries, particularly in trade and technology. President Trump's appearance underscores Washington's renewed interest in Southeast Asia. He is expected to witness a ceasefire signing between Thailand and Cambodia and push forward new trade agreements during the summit. Speaking to reporters, Trump hailed what he called historic progress in the Middle East, adding that he believes that Gaza ceasefire will hold. The US president also highlighted a new Gulf security framework, saying regional partners are increasingly taking the lead.
I mean, we talked about peace. We have peace in the Middle East. That's what we have. Great peace in the Middle East. He thinks it's enduring. He's never seen anything like it. And he's very happy that I got involved. And he helped, and we had a lot of help. We have 59 countries. We have a lot of countries that are signed on. It's just, this should be an enduring peace.
Do you have confidence that the ceasefire in Gaza would hold?
It'll hold, yeah. Oh, it's going to hold. Well, if it doesn't hold, I mean, if it does hold, that would be Hamas. And Hamas will be not hard to take care of. It will be very quickly. But I hope it holds for Hamas, too, because, you know, they gave us their word on something, and they said they took out gang members. Well, I hope that's right. But they gave us their word on something, so I think it's going to. And if it doesn't, then they'll have a very, very big problem.
Did you talk with them about how the new security arrangement between the U.S. and Qatar will work?
I talked to them about it. We actually covered a lot of territory. It's working very well. It's all smooth. The U.S. doesn't have to get much involved. They're able to take care of their very substantial nations. And, you know, we have Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar. You have the three, and then you have many behind them, and even with them.
Trump will continue his Asia tour with visits to Tokyo and Seoul, where discussions will center on defense cooperation and supply chain security with Japan and South Korea. Meanwhile, protests over US policy on Palestine have continued in Kuala Lumpur, but Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim praised Trump's efforts in helping broker the Gaza truce. The ASEAN summit runs through the weekend, tackling major regional flashpoints. Trump's return to the Asian stage signals a renewed US focus on the region's fast-changing political landscape.